Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, April 28, 2009, and welcome to Texca Hills News. We begin today with breaking news from the latest from the global swine flu outbreak that is initially reported as originating from Mexico City, with already an estimated 167 deaths and continuing to spread throughout the world. Details on how Texca Hills officials are preparing in a few moments. Also in this broadcast, severe weather pounding the Texca Hills metro area today, forcing schools to close with already nervous parents dealing with the prevention of the global flu pandemic. We will have details on when schools will be reopening and how to keep safe in damaged potent weather across our region. Included in this broadcast, Texca Hills population continues to rise as people find better economic opportunities here, and how the Texca Hills healthcare system continues to expand to accommodate the newcomers into our city. But first, we begin our coverage with the global flu pandemic that is sweeping North America and parts of Europe and Asia. With an estimated 167 dead as the cause of the new virus, new cases continue to arise across the globe from people returning home from trips to Mexico. Health officials in the United States today said that they are unfortunately expecting deaths in that country.
Well, I think we anticipate that there will be confirmed cases in more states as we go through the coming days, and I think the feeling ought to be that of preparation, not fear.
Here in Texca Hills, healthcare officials are already preparing for the sick if any people appear to have the virus. Today, the Congress of the United Republic voted on emergency preparedness across the Republic, especially in the capital of Texca Hills, where millions of people reside in very densely populated areas and where the flu can spread more quickly. Flights incoming to all United Republic airports have begun fever and flu symptom screening and are prepared to quarantine anyone who seems ill. Wild weather today impacted our area, forcing all Texca Hills schools to be closed before classes even begun due to the pounding rain and wind this morning. From that line of storms, a tornado warning was issued today for the northwest area of the Republic. We spoke with a local resident about the situation.
This hasn't happened here. I talked to my neighbor. He's been living here for 30 years, and he hasn't seen something like this happen.
Weather conditions should be more favorable tomorrow, and all Texca Hills schools will be reopening promptly at 7:30 a.m. Please be sure to check with individual schools to confirm reopenings in case damage will not allow students to return. As mentioned earlier, more and more people are still moving to Texca Hills, and this is causing a strain on the healthcare system in place. The Texca Hills Healthcare Association today said it is adjusting quickly to new citizens as they arrive. Each quadrant in the city does have its own hospital and designated clinics, but some facilities are not enough for the 1,200 people a week moving into Texca Hills city limits. This surge in the new population is likely to be caused by the many corporations that have established themselves in downtown Texca Hills and are hiring everyone they can. For more information about the healthcare system, including hospitals and clinics, please call 719-298-7464 or log on to thhealth.org. Thank you for joining us tonight for Texca Hills News. We'll see you back soon.